Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole in a molcajete. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 3 ripe avocados, 1/2 of a lime, and a small bunch of cilantro. Also, prepare 1/4 of a white onion and 1 serrano pepper, finely minced. Ensure your molcajete is clean and ready for use. This traditional method truly brings out the best flavors. Now, let's build our flavor base. Place your finely minced white onion and serrano pepper into the molcajete. Add a generous pinch of coarse salt. Using the tegelote, grind these ingredients together. Work them into a rustic paste. This crucial step releases their essential oils, creating a vibrant and aromatic foundation for your delicious guacamole. The texture will be wonderfully coarse. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, the avocado. Carefully have 3 ripe avocados and remove their large pits. Scoop the creamy green flesh directly into your molcajete, right on top of your aromatic paste. Now, with the tegelote, gently mash the avocado. Don't overdo it. We want some lovely chunks remaining for that perfect, satisfying texture in every bite. Almost there. To brighten everything up, squeeze the fresh juice of 1/2 a lime over your mashed avocado. Then, fold in about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. Give it a good, gentle stir to combine all those wonderful flavors. Finally, taste your guacamole and adjust the salt as needed. Serve immediately with your favorite tortilla chips and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.